Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today my room is red, even though Mars isn't really red, so I figured it would be a cute idea. Today we're going to be talking about the strangest things ever to be discovered on planet Mars. Many leaving astronomers and scientists confused and with more questions than answers. These discoveries, although very strange, the strangest part of it is how the human brain plays tricks on us. It seems to be more of a psychological exploration with us than it is actual strange things being found. Let's get into all the weirdness. First, let's talk about this doorway. The doorway to hell. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. It's not the reason why the room's red. Chill out. This image was taken by the Mastcam on the Perseverance Rover recently on May 7th, 2022. The image took NASA by surprise. Many scientists were hoping that we could get the rover closer, or even perhaps drive inside of the tunnel and see what was inside. How awesome would have that been? Many say that life on Mars would be underground because of the high radiation. Well, NASA of course took a closer look, and by zooming in, you can see almost a completely different image. Where did the door go? Where's the door, George? Where's the door? You can see that the smooth entrance really isn't as smooth, and this crack gives it the illusion that you're looking inside of a tunnel. But look at it here. On the ground, you can see a large rock with one flat surface on one side. This texture is actually matching the texture of the above rock. It looks the same too, which tells us that this is the piece that fell off, most likely from erosion. So the doorway isn't really a doorway. It's just natural, produced by erosion. You can see all the erosion that has happened in this area over billions of years. But it's not strange at all to find perfectly straight lines or cuts in this region. So this doorway has been closed. There's also this classic image of the Mars face. The Mars face has driven all sorts of interesting theories about how this head showed up on the surface. NASA's Viking 1 orbiter zipped near Mars in 1976, taking this iconic image. People got excited and drew all their attention to this face, seen in the picture. Could this be an alien monument on Mars? Or an ancient temple covered up by Martian sand? After some research, NASA decided to further explore the famous Mars face with the Mars Global Surveyor, it taking fresh images of the face. In fact, we just discovered a mesa, a flat-topped mountain, not an alien-carved religious site. Darn, I was really hoping for that. There is also this image. Have you seen the Martian blueberries? These small, smooth marble or pearl-like objects found by the Opportunity rover in 2004, they're rocks, not blueberries. I mean, do you see a blueberry tree anywhere? Do you see a tree anywhere? No, not at all. Now this image is curious. This image of 3 spikes has many scientists puzzled. The 3 large spikes seem to be protruding from the Martian surface, captured back in 1999. They almost look like large towers. They look clearly big and seems like they've kind of been put there in line. Are these like the pyramids that are aligned with the stars? The strange part is that this is a region that has been explored by the Curiosity rover. But yet we have not had an update photograph of this area. They don't seem like it would be really hard to see. Geologists say that the spikes seem to be about 2.9 miles tall. Incredible if these structures were actually made and created by nature, even though there's nothing around them for miles. Is this just another claim that NASA is covering up stuff? They have been accused before and admitted to covering up information about different objects that they have explored. But NASA's explanation of all this and many other images, this is just a pareidolia. The mind tricks us into thinking something is there when it's really not. NASA, on the matter, says all images that seem strange or unexplainable can all come back to it being a pareidolia. From the pyramids on Mars, the fish found, the person sitting on the rock, the face of God himself, and the huge alien crab living on the side of a mountain. There have been hundreds of familiar objects seen on Mars, but of course they're all just rocks. Even though our brain is looking for certain kinds of familiar objects. It's almost like when you see various familiar objects in clouds. There is just something that the brain catches onto to convince us and convince you that it's real. This is until you see it with a higher resolution or you see it from a different perspective. So I don't know if we'll ever get another picture of it. Curiosity just moves on and continues to work on the planet. That's what NASA says. So let me know what you think and what you believe in. You think NASA's covering stuff up? Or do you think your brain is just playing tricks on you? Or you might think of something else. Let me know. So if you liked my video, I would really appreciate you engaging that like button. That way you can tell YouTube that this video was pretty good, or somewhat good. It'll still spread the video, so thank you. So there are many strange images of the surface of Mars. Many that we can explain, and ones that we just cannot. We're just being told it's part of your imagination. Well, until we get another crazy image from our rovers to analyze, I say till the next time, my friends, remember, it's your space. Or is it your pareidolia? Take care.